Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Hey, just a quick weather update. I know we're here trading, but got a cold front today in Texas. Definitely felt it when I went outside. It's only like 70, 75 degrees, but I stepped outside, little breeze. That mess felt cold. XO cold, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Hope all's well with you. Also, a quick update. Like pretty much right at open, I took profit on that IWM. I think overall on the position it ended up being like maybe like $4 profit because like after the roll, but it was looking good in the after hours. It did go to the what my original target was. But his shoe top of the morning. Hey family. Hey friendly. Hey, this is your shot to get rid of the ads like right here at the beginning. I say we got 21 people on. Can we get to 21 likes? If we can get that like count to equal or cross the amount of people on stream, ads dropping off right away. Good time for it. Good time for it. Big time. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, top of the morning, D Scurvy. Yeah, profit is profit. Okay, I see we're making a move on the likes. Okay. We got 23 people on. 30 people on. We got 15 likes. 50% there. 50% there. Cool as baseball. No, I like just got on. I took profit on the IWM from yesterday, but no new trades as of yet today. Gonna kind of take a moment, get situated. I don't see anything that is fully ready. Like it looks like if I take any trades today, it might be kind of like trend line moves. Probably going light on something. Kong, good morning. Levi, good morning. Natasha, good morning. Luke, good morning. Brandon, hey, appreciate you. Top of the morning. Hey, mom, good morning. Good morning. Hey, we're looking all right on the likes, yo. If 8 more of y'all smash the like button, or I guess 9 more now, yo, we're already. It's like that. We're through with the ads. Y'all might save the people for the rest of the day. Today is a swing trade type of day. Potentially. We'll see. Like definitely had a good little sell off. Hold on, let me pull up the dollar dropped back down. All right, so I see Palantir kind of took off today a little bit. See how they're doing in their overall range real quick. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to see what comes of things. Like 5 more likes and we're there, family. Ads evaporated. Why did AMD gap up and now it's dropping? I don't know, but I was getting ready to I was potentially ready to hop in if it broke out, but it was at the top of its range. And since it I don't know, I'll just mark it up as a fake out for now. Like if it can't confirm above this 169 area, there's nothing there yet. Honestly, right in while it's in this between this I guess kind of 162 and 169 area, you just play it back and forth until it confirms on one of them. But no, I don't know why. I think it's right now we'll just call it technicals. All right, let's see. Open and Hut. Yeah, Open's kind of done its thing. It's been doing its thing. All right, let's. I got a nice pullback on Open. Was that yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. Nice little pullback. And then is Hut 8? Yep. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna leave that one alone. Oh, something's vibrating my phone. Let me make sure it's not a Oh, Tesla's at its pre-market support now. Oh, that's kind of a quick drop on Tesla. Is there like a catalyst on Tesla? Tesla just kind of like, zoop. They got some volume. We'll see if they break support. Let me get another look at them on the 4-hour. Yeah, I don't know. Tesla might potentially pull back. George, good morning. Frank, good morning. Yoko, top of the morning. Devin, good morning. He said, tell Spy to do something. All right, I still kind of want to see if I can find like a solid trend. I'm really not liking the way the liquidity looks for the day on Spy. Let's see, what's the 30-minute? Let's look at the 1 hour. Here, let's go back to 15. So we kind of got a range. What was open? Yeah, this was. Let's see. So we filled in the gap. Well, were we in the downtrend? Here, let's go to the 1 hour first. All right, bearish range right there. We pulled back. Did we sweep that? Nah, we didn't. Then we kind of got a bearish range here. We're still in that range. Then I don't know. It's too choppy. It's too choppy. I think that's doing the most right now. Sarah, top of the morning. Jerry, good morning. Ideas for NVIDIA earnings? Waiting until after they announce and then seeing how they do. Most of the time playing earnings beforehand is it's just going to take your money. And a lot of times, like the next morning, unless you get a massive move, it's going to be the same. It's going to be at the same price, or you could have got it. There's more opportunity the next day. That's what I'm saying. I did a put last Friday for 640, and I just wanted to tank. Oh yeah. They like to be tricky with it. So honestly, we probably need to wait for NVIDIA earnings before we actually get a move. I personally feel like if I had to pick a direction, I would say down for NVIDIA earnings. Like, I'm not saying NVIDIA is not doing well, but I don't think it's going to like blast up, but I have been wrong several times before. So because of that, I just don't play the earnings. And if I see the opportunity to catch a move after, I'll catch a move. But yeah, I've like coughed up so much money trying to play earnings, and then like it's like I'll look and it's like, oh wow, that contract I got yesterday, I may have paid like $300 for it. Oh, it's $50 now. And it's like they might have both made money, but it's like, oh, if I would have waited, I could have got it for $50. It comes back up to 300, and it's like, oh, there goes my risk. So it's like a lot of time playing patience it's a lot better. All right, let's see what we got going here though. Let me. So we had what is it? All right, we got consumer confidence came in positive. What we got going tomorrow? Nothing economically, but we got tomorrow after hours. We got NVIDIA and Snowflake and what's the other one? NVIDIA, Snowflake, and CrowdStrike. Hey family, yo, if we can get 8 more likes, yo, the ads dropped off just like that, yo. Just below this video. Oh wait, well now we need like 11 more, but just below the video, if you scroll down, look below the video, below all the charts, below the sexy man in the bottom left corner of your screen. There is a thumbs up. There's an icon shaped like a thumbs up, right? And yeah, it may not, man. It likes interaction. It really appreciates the interaction, and I noticed some of y'all just clicked on it. Appreciate y'all. Oh, hey, we're close. Hey, three more and we're there. We're there. But yeah, it's like you click on four more now, and it'll do like a little dance. It'll give you a little animation. I don't know. It's different every time, but sometimes you'll see like some exciting squiggly lines that come out. Hey, always going to be a color change, like a change of mood. It might turn up the vibe. Always a good time when we smash the like button. Like it seems like Spy is choppy all day, then right before close. Yep, that's something it likes to do. Bro, yesterday I was looking at here, let's actually while we're here, let's review yesterday's trade. So for those of y'all that were here yesterday and haven't been updated, so yesterday I grabbed like a IWM 233 put, and it actually went and hit my target. Like my target was like, or actually did it? Let me see. I think, hold on, let me go back to the 4 hour. See what my target was. All right, yeah. So yeah, like when it hit my target, right? And this morning I'm like, oh yeah, I'm about to have some profit. That's like $1.50 in the money. It's about to be nice. And then like it gets closer to market open, and it's like, oh, now it's above 233. I'm like, man, there that goes. And what is it? When that happened, or like market open, I saw a dip below 233, and I'm like, yo, see profit, take profit. It was like barely any profit. Like when you factor in the roll and factor in like the total overall, I think my overall like for the whole trade it would have been like 80. I sold out at like 84, so $4 profit. And but I think that was like my only opportunity to get it. Oh shoot, hey, ads coming off, ads coming off. Hey, y'all did it, family. Good early, nice little check mark. Let's see. All right. So no ads unless y'all like leave the stream and come back. YouTube's gonna hit y'all with some ads, but y'all shouldn't get hit with ads anymore, just like randomly. All right. But yeah, it's like it came down in the pre-market, and then it's just like, oh yeah, we're taking off. We'll see if it goes and like makes a new high or some kind of double top, but it's what it is. Devin said, yeah, I'm cooked with that. Didn't wake up soon enough to get out. Bro, yeah, it's kind of annoying. Yeah, I was just trying to look for something quick yesterday. Good morning. Any trades happening yet? Not here. Yeah, I haven't seen like anything just like set up in the past like 13 minutes or so. SoFi ranging 26. All right, yeah, let's take a look at SoFi. Oh wait, wrong chart. Feel very lethargic today. Stan, good morning, brother. What do you think about TSLL? So I'm going to speak to your TSLL from a Tesla standpoint. Looks like it's at resistance, and it looks like there is selling pressure here. That's what I have to say. So it's either going to consolidate here for a while or it's going to pull back. Did I sell the IW? Yeah, I sold the IWM like pretty much right at open. And like with the roll and everything, I made like $4 profit on it. But it's like if I didn't sell it right at open, I would have taken a loss on it. So I'll count it as a win. But if I would have sold it at the end of the day yesterday, yeah, it was like, I think it was up like 71%. I was like, man, I used trend lines today on Tesla, entered a put, but now looking at it, not as smart. You don't think so? Here, I guess it depends on when you got in. And I guess it depends on like what kind of trend line you're moving off of. Welcome, Stan. Oh man, aim at how long do you think it'll go? I mean, we can look. Let's see. I mean, it's still consolidating in this range, so next place to kind of watch is like about 165. Right now, I would say look out for this 167.53 because that's liquidity, and it's in a downtrend. And I could see it having a quick move to this 48 EMA, which is around like 168, 169. So I would say it'll come close to 170, but I don't think it'll move there if it's going to continue the trend. That's my take on it. I feel you, Haldane. So yeah, IWM, like it's in an uptrend. I was just trying to catch a like pullback on it yesterday. And like it's like I kind of caught it, but there was like what was annoying was yesterday there was a big wall. There were like so many people that had the same put strike as us. The market makers didn't. They wanted to like kind of run out the theta on it and like didn't want to pay out as much, so they made that one take longer. I was just looking for a quick profit. Yeah, market is moving slow because there's not really any news or anything to digest. So for me, it's a win if I don't if there's nothing there today and I don't take a trade. That's still a successful trading day for me because I kind of stuck to my discipline. Like I am like I will like do a quick trade if I think it's there, if I see a setup for a swing trade. So like don't hesitate to share charts or like point to charts. I will like on the cool say I don't like it to a lot of them, but it was like when it comes to like those kind of larger names where it's like they get more volume. If I see something where it's like, oh, I may be willing to get like a swing or I don't know. Caught LiDAR right before the run at 286. I think it's gonna be a decently long. Here, let's see how LiDAR is doing right now. Oh y'all, I went to Austin on Sunday. And when I was out there, I saw the Waymos. I was like, oh dang! I'm like, wow, there's not a person in there. It was crazy. I just kept seeing them drive by. I'm like, shoot, I almost wanted to like get one, like just hey, let me get in the Waymo. But I didn't do it. Probably should have though. It was like 1,000 degrees out there. All right, let's LiDAR. Okay, good little pop. Kind of in a little pullback consolidation range at the moment. Got in a call for $16. I don't know why it was so cheap. Devin, I'm gonna assume that you didn't get too much time on that call. And if it's for this Friday, I can see why it's that cheap because it's been consolidating in that range. But that's if it's for this Friday. If you got more time, I don't know either. But usually it'll be cheap whenever, like the lower the likelihood of the trade occurring, the lower the market thinks the likelihood of the trade occurring is, the cheaper the contract's going to be. Jojo, good morning. Entered a $26 call on SoFi. I selected the wrong date. It's for Friday. I need to refocus. Yeah, that's never fun whenever you get the wrong date. You said, are these options? So what we're looking at, these are stocks. I trade options. If like these get to a price that I like, then it's like I'll grab an option contract. But right now, no, we're just looking at the charts for each individual stock, Ronnie. Amazon looking decent. Hey, let's take a look at Amazon. Kind of like break even on the day. Looks like there might be a little trend there. Well, this is a 4 hour, but we'll come down, see how things are looking. Potential trend right here. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. Got some resistance up at like this 229, 230 area. 30 minutes, 15. Yo, it had a nice little run from like 15 minutes after open. It's going on a run, but not quite enough for me to pursue. I've been thinking about starting some kind of investment in ETH, either in crypto itself or Tom Lee's BMM NR. Hey, it's something. I don't have much. It'd be nice if I still had all the Ethereum that I mined back in the day, but I got like a small amount of Ethereum. Let's see. Like legit not anything serious at all. Let's see. So I got about $105 worth of Ethereum. But that's all like free from like referrals and stuff and like learning stuff on Coinbase. That's not money I paid anything for, so that's all cool. Yeah, I got an alert on Eli Lilly this morning. I feel like it says something about either being up like 4%, something in that range. See. Yeah, it's up like 4% right now. Oh. Eli Lilly received yeah. That's kind of wild because that's not possible. Like it says, Eli Lilly received a letter from President Trump demanding a 14 through 1,500% cut in drug prices within 60 days to match international rates. But that's legit not possible because it's like once you get over 100%, it's just giving it away free. And then if it's like, if you drop it more than 100%, you're like paying people to take the drugs from you. So if you're paying people like 15 times the price that it is now, that's bad. So you can't. They're probably going to send a message and say, "Yo, Trump, that's not possible." It's like even if we were to make it free, we couldn't meet those demands. Hey, sometimes I don't know. Trump needs to make sure he has people like checking his letters for him because that kind of makes him look a little ignorant, like sending stuff out like that to major businesses. But he's probably saying that because, or it probably says 14 to 1,500 because that's how much higher it is than international prices. Just doesn't work the same way to the downside. Bro, Palantir, they had a good little pop today. Stomach's kind of irritated on the low. He'd X something about Cracker Barrel this morning and it's up. What do you say? What do you say? I don't see anything about this. Let's see. Check out Trump. I don't see anything on his X. Or maybe I don't know how to like actually. It looks like it's been like a month. Maybe it was on Truth Social. Content of Corey, but I agree. If you made a content of Corey, if you said anything before, but I agree, I did not see it. I don't know if like YouTube is like you said something in there where YouTube like message to be seen, but just want to let you know. I did not see if you said something before that. Oh no, I see it now. I changed the chat to live chat. I see it now. Okay. So you said Trump takes extreme positions because he wants them to come with the count. Yep. That's very true. So maybe them seeing those numbers, it's like, okay, yo, we can't do 14 to 1500, but how about 30? I don't know. I made $38 on Palantir on that. Hey, good stuff, Devin. It's on Yahoo News. He was talking. Yeah, the logo. I don't know. I'm not too big a fan of the change of Cracker Barrel, like the logo. I mess with Cracker Barrel every now and then. Actually, it's been some years on the cool, but Cracker Barrel, it's all right. I got you, content recording. If Bull gets to 14.19, I think it's a good price. I think, like, long term, this is a good price for Webull. Like the brokerage, like with the potential. Yeah, I think it's a good price. Like now, all these levels, like everywhere it's been all year. I think they might need to do more to like prove themselves, but I think in the future we'll look back and it'll be a good price. It'll be a good one to own, unless they happen to just go like bankrupt or something. What's SPY looking like on a 5? Yeah, this looks like the stuff you just don't trade. Let me look at IWM on a 5. It's kind of on like a steady rise. Let me see what the poll's looking like. 51% green. Okay. Hey, we're very close to break even on the cool. I feel like no one ever does break even. We're at like 19% break even. I could see us breaking even today. Okay, we got the SPY trying to push a little bit. Let's see if we can. Oh, wait. You know what I'm going to do? Wait, hold up. Oh, okay. We kind of got a break and retest. It kind of took its time, but look, where would it go though? Break, retest. Here, let me go to a 30. I'm guessing everyone's waiting on the. Is there a Trump speech today? I didn't know anything about that. I don't think it's like if there's a Trump speech today, I don't think it's supposed to be anything important. I don't see anything about one. Here, I'm gonna look at the options activity on the Moomoo. See what it's looking like for the SPY. Oh yeah, nah. At 12. Interesting. It's been struggling at 491 or 641.9 all day. So it looks like we got a break and retest of like this pre-market resistance area. I might here, let me see what does it look like on the 4. Alright, so we ran up. We kind of. Oh, it's just so choppy. I don't even know what to say. He said sorry, 642.90. Palantir pushing. Yeah, I'm so glad I closed out of that Microsoft. I'm looking at it. It's still here. Actually, let me pull up Microsoft. It looks like it's closer. It's getting closer to that 500 level I was looking at. Yeah, it's trying to get there. Let me slide this down a little bit. Like we might be able to find some buyers in this area. Could try to come back for that at some point. I don't know. Yo, my stomach ain't feeling right. Like, I kind of like want to lay down. Let's see. But I'm good at the same time. See. UNH. OSCR. Open. Wait, what's UNH looking like? Oh, it's still chilling around that $300 area. When you're looking at the options analysis on Moomoo, what do you look for? I just started looking at it. I see there's buys and puts and how many. I'm just not sure. Here, I can show you a little bit. I'll pull it up on screen. Give me a second to like kind of set that up. It doesn't show exactly like it won't show like me hovering over, but I'll show kind of what I'm looking at. Let me pull it up on this screen real quick. So if I acting like it wants to come down, but I don't trust it. Let's see. Do I have it visible? What is this? Okay. All right, so right here we got this is like a live view of my iPhone screen. It's not going to exactly show things the exact same way it may appear on my phone. But like when I'm looking at the options analysis, what I do is, if we're going to look at the SPY, I can go click on SPY. I can click on options, and then you have like different kind of things down here. So there's chain strategies. This is new. I still need to spend more time with this. This kind of looks like the Robinhood strategy thing, but it's not anything I use on Robinhood. So, but yeah, this is where I'll look. So there's also unusual activity, but I don't do anything. Ooh, hold up. What is options rankings? All right, so these are showing the most active kind of calls and puts on for today's expiration, or I guess just on the contract, so we can see the volume. So this, in a sense, might be similar to what we're about to look at on options analysis, but yeah, this is pretty cool too. All right, so on the analysis right here, you can see the volume by strike price. I can see that right here at this level, which I believe the green side is going to be calls. And I believe this is the 643. There is like a huge load of volume right there. And then down here to the downside, the red, I believe this is 642 puts. A huge amount of volume right there as well. So like with the volume at those levels, that just tells me like there's a lot of money in those contracts specifically for today. The market makers will typically prefer to not pay money out like that. So if I try to move the day out, say we like look ahead to tomorrow or something. Here, actually, let's go out to like Friday. If we switch it out, we can see a larger distribution. So we can still see whatever level this is, there's a good amount of calls there. But which would lead me to think the market makers likely, if it comes higher than this, they don't want it to be above that too long. So because there's not really many puts, it's like they would rather have it anywhere in this area. Even if there are these puts right here, they rather have it anywhere in this area as opposed to this area or higher, because there are more calls and that's more money they would have to pay out. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm looking at that. And then you can also come down and look at the open interest, which is how many people were holding the contract to start the day. So that's kind of what's going on whenever I'm looking at the options analysis. All right, let's see. Mid-morning light. Hey, appreciate that, incense. Just getting on, ran out of gas. Crazy. My stop loss triggered. Thought I had enough to clock in and get gas on lunch. Market makers ran out of gas. Ooh. That was always one of my fears. It's never happened to me, but that's always something I feared. I think it's also like, I guess now that I have an EV, it's like, oh, run out of battery. But luckily that stuff's not happening to me. But let's see here. I would say I'm probably too type A to have something like that happen. But let's see. Where's the bread? I don't know. I made like $4 today on that IWM put from yesterday. big time. I was gonna ask the same question. Hey, can you tell me what range you think Palantir can get to? So the range on Palantir is going to be this channel right here. So short term resistance is going to be about where it's at, around 162. But if it's pushing, like if it pushes to the top of this channel, it's going to be around 170. So that's it. Like we got this channel. It's kind of been respecting for some time. So this platform is tradingview.com. Very, very welcome, Gerald. Choppy day so far with what I have. Hey, same here. Everything on my radar. Palantir looks good on the 4-hour though. They look like they're trying to move, but I also see some liquidity. AMD shares rose after. Oh, did not mean to do that. Rose after the company. Oh, hold up. AMD shares rose Tuesday after the company announced a partnership with IBM to build a quantum-centric supercomputing architecture. President Donald Trump says he removed Lisa Cook from her job as well as Federal Reserve Governor, prompting a lawsuit challenging the action. And okay. All that time he was talking about Jerome Powell, he was like, apparently he just removed Lisa. And like, if she doesn't get removed, then she's going to get paid for the time. Trump's live right now. Here, let me check this little website. Let's see. Oh, I guess President participates in the cabinet meeting. White House press room. Oh, maybe that's what's going on. When you do your top-down analysis, what's the top time? It really depends. Most days I start on the 4-hour, but if we're like, oh dang, this is a new range and it's like pushed past everything, I'll like step up to the week. And if it's just like, oh dang, we haven't been here, like it looks like we're making new levels, I'll jump up to the monthly. But most of the time it's going to be the 4-hour. I think there's some money in a lawsuit on the fire. Yeah, she will definitely. She's definitely going to get paid. Like, if anything, she gets. I don't know if she has a family, but if anything, she gets to spend some time with her family. She's getting paid. Like, I am not in it enough to know like why specifically he wants to fire her, but she's getting paid either way for her situation. Hood's trying to fight up. Let's see. What's up, Hood? Where they at? That it is. Back out to the 4. It's not at any critical levels for me though. Trump signing an EO prosecuting flag burning. Executive order. Here, let me make sure. Let's see. Apple launch events on September 19th. Cool. Spy hidden support. You mean resistance? Cause Spy is kind of been running. Yeah, I think you mean resistance. But yeah, it's like thing I was looking at when I was looking at Spy. It's like this could be an area to reverse, but it's not quite enough for me. Like I could see Spy potentially like running. So because of that, I don't know. I don't fully know. Good timing by Apple right after potential rate cuts. Yeah, I mean it's like their usual timing, but yeah, it's like the end of the year. I'm expecting my money to fly. Like if we get rate cuts, I'm about to make a bag. It's like even if stocks come down, bag. I'm waiting on it. Like let's stimulate some spending. Let's make things cheaper. But it's still gonna be tough because we got a lot of people without jobs, like trying to find a job and whatnot. I feel like the wage gap is so vast. It's wild. Do I have a top-down analysis video? I definitely have it in some videos. I think I have it in my charting video. Like, I want to say it's like, if you watching this playlist, it's kind of going to be hard to like find it. But this will like teach you everything that I do. First video is kind of long, but I would say it's either in the first or second video. It should kind of explain top-down analysis a little bit. But as for like kind of creating YouTube or centric kind of content right now, at the moment I don't have as much time for it. It's like I got a lot of stuff going on right now. So this is like about all I have time for at the moment. Just to stream. I have order blocks set up on my screen and I feel like it gives me a little more confidence. Oh, there's that word. That word rubs me wrong, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, it's like if you can see the supply and demand zones, or I'm gonna put in quotations order blocks. Yeah, it can provide confidence. It's like, oh, this is a buy range or a sell range, or it's like I can kind of see it, like just I can kind of just see them now, just because I'm used to like looking at the charts. But yeah, I spoke too soon. Wasn't ready to watch. So no, I'm not. I'm not in anything right now. Since the market is very shaky, Looks like a call on IWM would have been the move. The market is it's kind of like running a little bit on the like on the 5 or 15. It's just like these moves aren't like it's like I can't tell you exactly where they're going. And if I have no idea where it's going, like I have a hard time entering because I don't know what kind of contract I want to get. It's like if I think it's gonna move big, I'm like, oh yeah, shoot, I can use like $25 and shoot make a bag. But if I think it's not gonna move at all, it's like, shoot, if I throw $200 in, I might use a day trade just to make $5, and that's personally not worth it to me. But there will be some big money days this week. We'll see. There should. How'd your IWM roller do? So I ended up making $4 profit. Like if I would have took profit at the end of the day yesterday, it would have been up 71%. But today I took $4 profit on the overall position. I think from the rollover price, it was still up like let's see. Let me look at it. What was it? What was it on? IWM? Let me see. Go in, look at my history. All right, so from the rollover, it was like 34 profit, or yeah, $34 profit. But wait, why is it saying 63 average? Hold up, I paid 54. That doesn't even make sense. Does not make sense to me. But oh wait, so I lost 17 on the one that I bought, and then the one that wait, actually hold up, I might have made a little more. No, I made $5. There we go. I made $5 profit. Even better. I used to be able to get a foot long sub for that price back in the day. Oh, I think in D curve, I think this product release, I think it'll do well. I'm not sure if it'll like do well off the initial like kind of like talking about it, but I think they'll do well. Like I am for sure getting a new Apple iPhone. I think they're also supposed to drop some new AirPods. I'll probably like I'm not gonna rush on the iPhone, but if they drop some new AirPods, I'll probably like snag those right away. Um, they're expected to drop a lot of things. Took about $12 profit. I might let it close out on me next time. See if I can. No, yeah, I don't know what time it would have closed out, but I saw it like 2:30. The contract was up yesterday too. I'm like, oh, nice. Like I got an alert that it hit like that break even price like before the closeout time. I was like, oh, cool. I was like, anybody who has that money, I probably would have done better if I just let it. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, we're back. Grab a little ginger shot. All right, let's see. I always ask how much were you saving to invest such and such product was way much. Wait, okay, hold up. I always ask how much were you saving to invest when such a product was much less than today's price. Normally it's someone who wasn't saving then or now. That IWM order should have cashed my $30 at the end of the day instead of letting it ride. Hey, it is what it is. All right, so I got a little ginger shot right here. Hopefully this makes my stomach feel a little bit better. This mess looks potent. It says super kick on it. Yeah, this might be tough. Might be tough right here. Might be like taking an actual shot. All right, let's get it though. Oh shoot, you got the actual gingers there. Got the little ginger root. Ah, yeah, that burns. Good stuff. Okay. All good. I have been shotted up. You were saying how much a sub used to cost? That's what I was talking about on the last. Okay, I got you. Stomach upset, try Pepto-Bismol. Hey, there was a point in time. I don't have any Bismol or anything like that on me, but I usually try to do stuff is like there are some like medicines I will take, but I usually try to like I'll take ginger before I do Pepto nowadays. And like I'll likely be good in a few minutes. Let's see. What do you think about Tesla and Netflix now? I mean, we'll see it. We'll see if anything's changed. Tesla's still at like the same price. Let's see. Wait, hold up. Wrong chart. Let's look at it where I'm looking at Robinhood. Oh, it's trying to move back up. I really don't know. It's like chopping. Maybe like, so what I see right now is this is on the 5 minutes, so it's kind of low, but right now I see we might be forming like a, oh wait, hold up. What's that tool? Let me pull that out. Where'd it go? It was it regression trend? Let's try. Yeah, something like this. Wait, why is it? Let me move it. Yeah, something like this though. I'm not really too in love with the colors. I'm gonna have to change the color on that, but I see like a pattern kind of like this on Tesla. Let's make that a little more transparent. Let's make it like that. There we go. Also swap the little. There we go. There we go. So that's what I see now on Tesla for now. Some kind of like a little channel. Ginger root is definitely great for your digestive system. Yeah, that's why I was trying to take that. Yeah, a lot of these, like I found a lot of medicine and stuff that I took growing up. It's like when I went to nursing school, it's like everything had contraindications. It's like, oh, don't take this with this or take this with this, and this may cause this. And it's like, yeah, I don't want to take something else if it's going to cause something else. So a lot of times just like taking what the earth has to give us will solve the issues. Am I using Robinhood? I haven't made any trades today, so maybe. It's like I could use Moomoo, could use Robinhood. I'm not sure. It really just depends on the kind of trade I make. I would say there's a good chance it'll be Robinhood though. The SPY running up because they know Nvidia about to tank. Yeah, that's I would like to short it. Like once again, if we come up high enough, which I don't necessarily see happening today unless we get some catalyst. But if we come up here anywhere, I'm going to get a short to swing or ride or anything like that. Ginger and cinnamon. I didn't just have any cinnamon, but it's like I have some in the mix. Bro, cinnamon burns too. I'm in a 0 DTE now for SPY, hoping for this breakout. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like if it goes anywhere today, if it doesn't like come back down, I feel like it could, like I would like to see it go up. I'm gonna be real. I'm not gonna trade it, but I would like to see it go up. So unsure if I should be buying small caps right now with September around the corner. So me personally, like small caps, even with the pullback, like small caps are like sold off a lot. I mean, so for me, like if it comes to IWM, like I will buy IWM all day. Certain small caps that have run, it's like maybe I'll like wait until after like we get like the real dip, but a lot of small caps, they're still like so like they have so much room to run that it's like I don't see a problem with it personally. But if it's something that's like just ran like crazy, like say like a APLD or something like that, I would like to see a short-term pullback. I guess I'm not buying anything for a while. Are you dollar cost? So I'm dollar cost averaging into AMD, Adobe. I know those two for sure. I'm not sure. Let me see. I think I paused like SoFi. I think here. Let's see. For sure, AMD and Adobe every day. I think that might be the only ones that I'm doing daily right now. Yeah, just those at the moment. I got my other ones kind of paused. So every time we get a dip on AMD, I'm loving it. Let me see how I'm doing on AMD real quick. I'm up like 30% on AMD overall, but I definitely had the opportunity to buy when it was down at like 78. Wish I would have had more to buy that dip. that money I put in the SPY last Friday has been gone since Saturday, so I look at it as I never had that money. If it makes money, great. If not, it is what it is. We'll see. But hey, you're just paying tuition right now. As long as you learn, you learn. That's cool. That's like I think that happened to me with like a Apple earnings play. I took an earnings play on Apple. I was like, oh, this looks good. And then like Apple had like an unexpected move because like the whole market moved down. So I'm not sure if I got like an extra week or 2 extra weeks. But the Apple play, I ended up making like 200% on it. It just took a lot longer, and I was down on it like a lot. Like it almost went to zero. So it's like it can happen. Things definitely come back from the dead. All right, let's see. IWM. Oh, it's trying. So this right here, this 231.50. If IWM pulls back here again, more than likely it's gonna run up more. I wouldn't be surprised if up here we like kind of pull back, but also we could run here. It could extend this range. What would you recommend trading? Nothing right now. It's like whenever something presents itself, that's what I would trade, but I wouldn't really use anything right now. I think 200 is about the budget that I will put towards a trade. Like if I have higher confidence in it, but right now I wouldn't use it for anything. It's like I would wait till an opportunity presents itself. Last September, Apple from all-time highs, 8 calls, kiss that money goodbye. Oh yeah, that's not fun. It's always hard getting in stuff at all-time highs. When do you use stop losses? So if most of the time, if I'm using a stop loss, I'm already up a considerable amount on a contract. What I like to do is I set like actual alerts in the charts at certain levels, and I will kind of look and see what the chart looks like whenever it's at that level. So I'm the stop loss, and like when I get an alert, I'll take a look and see what I see. But yeah, I only use stop losses when I'm like up a good amount, and it's like, okay, I would be cool with taking profit here, but I think it might still move higher. That's when I use stop losses. Or at least with options, because I don't think options aren't like, when it comes to like stop losses on options, they're not cool because you have theta working against you, but it's like I care more about like what price the stock is at, not necessarily the option. My brother from another mother, I am officially no longer lurking. Hey, appreciate that, Trenton. Yo, yeah, gotta get those likes in. Appreciate you, family. Let's see. Tomorrow trade might be better. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Tomorrow might be better. I think Thursday might really be where it's at. Like tomorrow potentially, but it's still before Nvidia earnings, so I'm like, I don't know. So there's potential tomorrow, but I feel like it's not till Thursday that it gets juicy. And then you also have contracts being kind of like their best. Like Thursday is like the best day to get contracts if you're trying to like swing, because the contracts they're cheaper, but you still have a whole day left, so it's a lot more potential there in my eyes too. How do I join the community? So there is a free one and then there's a paid one. They're both the same community. It's just one. Only difference is one is you see when I take a trade. Let's see. Here, I'll drop the link in the paid one is the first link in the description, and I'll drop a link in the chat for the free one. Let's see. Where do we go? Where's the Discord link? Here, let's pull up Discord. Send a little invite, get a little invite action going. All right, so that's going to be the link to the Discord. Palantir on the slow creep up. That it is. Tesla kind of is too. And then Microsoft. Yo, it's at that level. I might have to hold up. So yeah, we got some 4-hour liquidity right here. I might yeah, we're really close. I might go for something here. Let me see what it looks like on a weekly real quick. Oh yeah, we got some weekly liquidity here too. I'm gonna wait for it to actually. Here, I might give an extra. Let's see. Yeah, if Microsoft can come here. Yeah, I might get in on that. Try to go for a couple weeks or something. Let me see. Take another crack at Microsoft. See what the options contracts are looking like. See what I can finesse with this. So that's this Friday. I don't want this Friday. Okay. All right, I got my contract picked out. If it comes to the price, we'll see if we can hit that level. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up a swing, and then I'll let y'all know which one it is after the fact. Yeah, it's like may not do anything today, or may not get any day trades or anything like that, which is completely fine. But I think, hey, good little setup. Google looks interesting too if it comes back to 205.90. Yeah, let's take a look at the Googler, Mr. McDougler. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, we got some support there. You might have an odd head and shoulders. I don't know. Foreman. All right, come on, Microsoft. Yo, it's trying to move. So it's getting close. It's about right there. It's about there. Come on. Let's do it. Yeah, IWM is something that should be benefiting with like the news and the conditions. I think IWM has a lot of room it can run. Like if you're trying to grab leaps right now on an index, IWM is that index in my eyes. All right, Microsoft. Okay, it's about right there. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh yeah, it's like there. Okay. All right. I'm there. All right, so here, let's add this. Let me show y'all. Oh wait, hold up. All right, so I just grabbed a Microsoft. Actually, let me alert the family first. So I just grabbed the Microsoft September 12th call. It's a 525 and I paid 136 per share. So here, let me just mark my entry like right there. There we go. And let me alert the family. Just grabbed a Microsoft 525 call expiring, what is it? September 12th. Paid 136 per share. There we go. All right, so we're gonna add that to the watch list. Let's see. Hold up. September 12th. Where are we at? I think it was 525 call. It's already up a little bit, but there we go. QQQ doesn't move at all. It does, just not today. That's not the one that's moving. All right, so hey, while we're here, may as well talk about the numbers on this. It didn't really fully have, like these numbers didn't really fully have anything to do with it, like the Greeks and whatnot. But just kind of looking at it, we got the delta. The theta is like a little bit. They're almost even, the delta and the theta. But what I would expect from Microsoft, and like looking at it, if we zoom out from where this pullback is, at least a move to 515, at least. But I would think it can still go further. But depending on how fast it gets there, here, let's see, if the price gets to 515, that's still like $10 from the money. But if that were to happen by tomorrow, like if it happened fast, this contract would be up 326%, $326. If it gets to 515 by September 6th, be up $37. So that's like and a week later, if it's there, I'll be break even. So if we can get any kind of like bounce from this area of liquidity, which things typically move a little bit faster, that'll be good. But also, it would be fine if we pull back to this 496 because I see we got this weekly thing. So I got my entry. It is what it is. I'm not going to really worry too much about that. But yeah, I'm in it. I am in it. We got the Qs pulling back, SPY pulling back. All right, so it looks like resistance was still resistance. All right, to all my people in Dallas, how y'all feeling about this? What is it? This little, what's it called? This cold front. I went outside. I was like, yo, I am not dressed properly for this. I had like a little tank top on. I'm like, man, this actually feels cold right now. It was like a breeze. Wind was blowing kind of hard. I paid 136. Looks like right now it's going for 134, 135. So yeah, we'll kind of see how that does. But yeah, this is a contract I got. This shows 135, but I added it for 136 when I added it in my portfolio. You said what's a cold front? So a cold front is whenever, I don't know, like whenever it drops the temperature, like it drops the temperature of the weather. So a cold front is I don't know, I guess some weather came in from wherever it came from, and the temperature dropped. Like the high today is like 80 something, when yesterday it was probably closer to 100. And like this morning I went outside, it was like 70. So that's what a cold front is. It's just like a kind of like a change in weather pattern. Seems like it's much cheaper to go out a month and take profit if a person decides to. Let me see. So I got like 12 weeks or 12 days. Let me see. Could I have gotten more time for the same amount? All right, so if I wanted to pay the same price, I would have had to go up like another $7.50. And then if I went a month out, yeah, you would need a much larger move. So that's why I personally liked it. Yeah, I got a Microsoft 525 call, but it expires on the 12th of September. Loving it. So nice outside and pleasant. Yeah, it feels nice. He said, okay, 12 days sounds great. Hey, we'll see. We'll see. Hopefully we get the move soon enough. Hey, we'll see. We are like a little oversold on the EMA or the RSI. We did already kind of get oversold once, and it didn't really happen quite like one would have thought, but we got some liquidity here now too, so we're taking another swing at it. This is even like weekly liquidity, so Very welcome, Jack. Yeah, it kind of looks like we got a double top on the Qs. We'll see though. Whoa. Okay. Thoughts on Wolf for a swing call? I mean, I wouldn't necessarily take it unless it's like there's been like a considerable pullback personally. Up here, I would want to see it pull back to this. Well, actually, it's already kind of had this pullback, so I don't know. I would want to see it pull back first. Like I personally, like it's not anything I would take here. It's like you can, but up here it seems expensive. Like relatively, there are still gaps to like it will likely at least come back and revisit 568, 570 at some point in time. So I wouldn't personally touch calls until then. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but I'm not saying it can't go higher before then, but I'm not messing with anything like that beforehand. Matt, I'm in puts Friday on IDM or IWM. So IWM is in an uptrend. So I would say your best bet and best hope would be this ends up being a double top. I would say that's your best bet. There's some liquidity at this 231.50 area, but I would say be careful with that because IWM uptrend and things look like they should continue to get better for it. Very welcome, Marshall. Expecting a reversal. Yeah, I guess it just depends on when you got in. It's like, but yeah, they are in a solid upward trend right now. At the moment I see it being like tough for them to go too much lower than this 231.52. But I can say the next buy zone would be down at this 223 to 225 kind of area. Just playing around paper trading as well because I'm getting a little confused when I choose my price to enter my break-even price. Don't know whether higher or lower price. Do you want to say that again, Sarah? I'm not completely understanding because I'm getting a little confused when I choose my price to enter. So break even, to me, I don't think break even should matter as much unless you're holding until expiration. Microsoft, it's like I would hope to be out of the trade by expiration. I just want to like benefit off of a quick move on that. And when I say quick, I got 2 weeks on it, so it's something on a weekly chart. I just want to benefit from like some sort of pop on Microsoft. This looks like a good area for that to happen. I would like to think by the end of the week something like that could happen, or maybe next Monday or Tuesday. By Tuesday next week, I would like to be out of that Microsoft trade. Randy, good afternoon. Mosley, what do you have to say about the SPY? It looks like a pretty, oh, it's not doing much today. Like it's up, but it's not doing anything. The volume's low. There's nothing for me on the SPY at the moment. Ready for fall. This is bringing back wonderful memories of the beautiful weather Texas has all seasons here. Yeah, the fall is cool. The winter, I would rather be somewhere else, anywhere else. It's like when it gets cold here, the roads freeze instead of like, it's like the snow turns to ice, and it's like it's like the operators here don't know how to drive snow plows. It's kind of bad. Said next move is up. I mean, I can see some liquidity. Yeah, that's like it could. It's in an uptrend on the day. So yeah, I can see that. It's just like my thing is like I would need to see some volume on the SPY. It's like I can agree that the SPY is going to go up. But it's like, is it going to go up at a pace that's worth it to me? Come on down to Panama, no cold fronts, no snow. I like snow. Like I want to like snowboard or something. It's been over a year. Last year I was in Portugal. No, we weren't getting snow out there. Yeah, I want snow, but I don't want the air to be like super humid. Like Colorado, it's like, sometimes, you got big, fluffy snow. And it's like, it doesn't even feel that bad outside. I'm like, I could just, I'd be sweating coming down the mountains. Welcome, Mosley. Honestly, I'm talking about all my trades and getting ready to enter a trade. For instance, it's a call and I choose, I believe it's going up, and when it passes, don't mind me waiting for the next message. Or maybe that was the end of the message, I don't know. Microsoft again. You sure? There's never 100%. There's never 100% sureness, but I definitely already showed out. I definitely already showed why I was getting in Microsoft. I would say if you doubt it, just watch and see how it plays out. That looked good on the up to the weekly time frame as well. But it's like I got out of Microsoft when I got out because I was like, oh yeah, this doesn't look ready yet. Now it looks a little bit more convincing to me. So honestly, I won't even know if I'm sure till the end of this week. Like, cause this is a weekly chart. It's like if it closes at a certain level, I might need to get out and get back in again. But yeah, Devin, my thing is I may not have gotten enough time, if I'm being honest. But it's definitely a good level. But it's like I'm trading like the what I entered on Microsoft is something that, like, if I were being good, I would probably have 3 months on the contract. And I was like, yeah, I would likely close out well before the 3 months, but ideally you want to have probably about like anywhere from 2 to 3 months on the contract. I got 12 days. Or no, I got about 2 weeks. That's the hope, Devin. But also like on the weekly, it can come like a little lower. Like if we look at it day to day, it can be a larger move lower. So it's like I think the next area is like 594. It's either 596 or 594. I could see it coming that low if it does, but I would love to see it just up from here. Sorry, my messages is sounding confusing. Hey, it's something that happens. It's don't be sorry. That's what I did 3 going into December. December. Oh, nice. You will put a call in SPY for tomorrow. I'm not making any trade on the SPY right now. I can't tell you what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm not trading the SPY right now though. So SPY to me, like unless something happens, is not a good trade until after tomorrow evening when Nvidia announces earnings. So SPY doesn't seem like a good trade for me right now. Definite double top looking at QQQ and TQQ's Q's 4. SPY coming back down, faking everyone out. Hey, little pullback. I mean, it's still in the range right now. It's Chilon. Chilon like Elon. All right, let's see. Hey, not advice, but it's just what I do mostly. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't give out financial advice here, but yo, that's just what I do, like how I look at it. But like there are times people do things differently from how I do it. They make a bag. It's like I've gotten a little older since I first began trading, and I don't know. It's like I do like risk a little bit. I still like risk, but it's like I'm not betting the farm right now. Speaking of risk, I'm going to Vegas this weekend. I'm gonna see what I can do with $50. The goal is to come out with like 3 grand, but we'll see. We'll see. Sandre, hey, very welcome, and I appreciate you, man. Bro, I got goosebumps. I think I'm definitely gonna have to hop in the sauna after this stream. Yo, we're selling off here. Good little sell off. There we go. Good little pullback. Let's get it. Or how Microsoft pulled back a little bit to that. All right, so Spies at the 15 EMA. Let me go to the 15 on the. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Good little pullback right there. Honestly, that could have. I feel like that could have been caught on the cues. Like now that I'm looking at the chart, but not necessarily on this. I was looking at the SPY. I definitely wouldn't have caught that on the SPY today, the way its chart's looking, but the Q's looks a little, now that we're looking at it, a little more, see if we get confirmation. Cause we could like break and like retest. This may not be it. Like it could like still push up some more. Roulette, bet on black. All right, hey, might have to do what Mass 3DRC said. Hey, bet on black. Nah, I've only been to a casino once. I think I had like $20, bro. I lost it and bro, it was like less than 5 minutes. Know that. Let's go QQQ. You said, dang. I remember I started option trading because I saw your video. But I started 2019. That's crazy. I remember I was like, oh, how I make $100 a day trading options. And I was like, yo, I was doing that. But it was just like, yo, get a couple days on the contract, or no, get a month on the contract, hold it for a couple days, and then it's like, oh, it's up 100. Okay, let me snag that. It was so simple back then, but there also were not anywhere near as many people trading options. But Andy OG, oh, I see. That's crazy. Was aiming to 650. Oh, that's a fat move on the SPY. I don't see the SPY going like too much higher than 647. I feel like once it gets up there, I think it's going to like sell off pretty hard. Roulette tables are kind of expensive. Oh, that's great. You said for real. Oh, it was a Nike call video. I think I remember like a video where I took calls on Nike. I don't remember just one video about a Nike call, but I remember earlier videos where I was trading Nike. I think it's crazy to look at the stuff that I used to trade back then though. Like there was a lot of Pfizer, like GE and stuff like that. And like also crazy to see like the prices of things I was trading. Like you'll see Tesla like 3 or 4 stock splits ago, and you're like, wow, it was volatile then, and it's still extra volatile. Like if they didn't do any stock splits, Tesla like that, whew, that'd be crazy. Today, Tuesday, August 26th. All right. Okay, we got a candle opening below that trend line on the Qs. All right, we got volume. Oh wait, no. Okay. Yeah, nah, I'm not I wouldn't necessarily take a put on the Qs yet. I'm not going to take the trade, but I'm going to watch list a QQQ trade potentially if it confirms, and we'll see how it does. But right now, I'm not convinced it's coming down yet. We got like that increased volume. It might be reversing to push higher on the cool. Oh, Bank of America hit your target? Are you up? Is it looking good, Yoko? Oh, 74 likes and 74 people on stream. Appreciate y'all, family. Are we out here? Are we in here looking good? Let's go. Yeah, winter is rough for real. Very, very rough. SPY selling down a little bit more, or selling down. We got the Qs selling down kind of a little bit too. Time for school shopping for the kids. I think where I'm at, or at least the school district I'm in, school started like a little over a week ago here. Hey, peace out, Yoko. Oh, are you talking about with those profits? Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Hey, stay blessed, man. Oh, shoot, y'all got it up to 79 now. Okay, I see y'all pushing. Okay, y'all got the likes popping. We had to fight for him earlier. Oh shoot! Hey, somebody just came through with another one. I see y'all. I see y'all. Y'all over here y'all trying to make the likes pop. Man. Let me see how tall my ceilings are. All right, showing off. So I became the 80. Okay, so I see you showing out, man. All right, I gotta see how tall my ceilings are. Oh, I know how tall this is. Let's see how much further this is to the ceiling. Oh, coming down. Okay. 80 likes up in this thing. Let's get it. All right, let's see. Where we at? Struggle. Okay, we got 31. So I'm in a trade. It's a swing trade. I grabbed a Microsoft 525 call that expires on the 12th. That's what I'm in. And I used Robinhood for it today. What was it? Oh no, it can't go that big. right, yeah, we got the Qs trying to push up a little bit. Very welcome. Oh shoot, y'all keep pushing the likes up. Shoot, 85. Dang, every time I turn my head. Oh, what's over there? Oh, we're still at 85. Okay. Open Nvidia long for December. Hey, I hope they go up for you, family. I would I'm personally hesitant at the moment, but I hope they go up. If we were to trade the Google, then what would be the best entry? Do you see which way are you trying to trade Google? It's like money can be made both ways depending on your time frame. Like it really just kind of depends. But ideally you enter at like supply or demand. Like right now it looks like it already kind of touched demand over here. It might continue, it might push back up to that high. So if you were looking for a call, you would either enter like kind of in where it is now, or you wait till it come back to 200. Qs move similar to the SPY, but they don't always like push the same amount. Like the SPY is up 0.12, the Qs is up 0.18 today. They will kind of sometimes reach further away from each other, or they'll like kind of diverge. QQQ 100 techs, SPY, top 500 companies. Yes, sir. Yeah, top 100 techs and top 500. Just everything. Can you break down why you chose the Microsoft play so I can... So Microsoft was just a sweep of liquidity. So if we look at Microsoft... Here, let's actually look at that in a different spot. If we look at Microsoft's on the 4 hour, we can see on the 4 hour, there is liquidity here. So from that, I would probably expect it to either come back to like this 513, maybe up to 518 at least, like anywhere in that range. So at least like 513 from that. But when you look out on a higher time frame, like on the weekly, I could see that I can still see that liquidity on the weekly chart too. So I just like it. So yeah, I'm looking for a reversal. That is what I am looking at with Microsoft. It's just a sweep of liquidity. Not to mention Microsoft is once again oversold. So it's two factors of confluence, two things working together that kind of send the same message. Oh. Appreciate you, big time. Yes, God is great. Yes, hey, learn it. Hey, that's where it's at on the cool. Yeah, we wanna keep with the learning, keep with the earning, and the earnings will follow. All right, so hey, pushing back up again. Let's go. All right, so if the Q's is gonna come down, this would be where it comes down from, but we'll see. Here, let's go back to the 15, see what it's looking like. No, yeah, didn't quite get confirmation yet. Do you do day trading or just sleeps? If I see the opportunity for a day trade that looks like money, I take a day trade. I don't see that today. Like the movement is a lot more erratic today, so not taking any day trades today. Um, I I don't trade a crazy amount of leaps. But I would say on stream I trade more day trades than anything else. But today I took a swing. It's just if you want to see a day trade here, I would say maybe come back to the live on Thursday, because I'm really not expecting anything till then. Let's see. Ooh, 91 likes. Oh, y'all showing up, showing out now. Show it up, show it out. Ooh, that's what y'all doing. What are these charts I'm using? So each one of these charts is a different stock. And if you're talking about the platform, this platform is called Trading View. There might be a link in the description. I'm not 100% sure. And it might say, oh yeah, pay money. There's a free version of it. You don't have to pay money, but there will be ads involved if you don't. Do I? Yes, I pay for this. April said my kids are in their third week. I think this might be the second or third week, whatever. I think the kids in this district started like middle of the week. I think it was like August 12th was when it started. So, and do I pay for mine? Yes, I do. But I usually whenever Black Friday rolls around, I get like a year at a time. So I have the highest level for a non-professional trader, but they also like sell it at like 75% or 70% off around that time. So that's usually when I do that. Was thinking about subscribing. I think if you use my link, there's like a discount. I don't remember what it is, but it might be like 10, 15 cents or like not 15 cents. I think like I feel like it's like $15 or so. Can you share, please? Let's see. I think I have it over here. Let's see. Let's see. I'll try to drop it in the chat. Let's see if it wants to load up right here. Yeah, I'm not sure it wants to load. Let's try this. Yo, they don't want anything to, I don't know. Here, let me see if it's in the description or anything, cause they are not trying to let's see, real quick. No, it's not in the description. Here, I'll try to get it off mobile. This is kind of annoying. I'm gonna try to refresh it, see if it does anything. At least I can see my stock prices, but here I'll send the link in the chat. I'll get it off my phone. Let's see. Refer a friend. Share link. All right, 1 second. I'm about to drop it in the chat. All right, so I think that's the link. Very welcome. I think it might be $15 off your first month or something. What's up with Apple? Are there any Apple? I wouldn't expect much from Apple right now. Apple announced that they have like an event, but no, Apple, no, not really too much going on there. I'm not watching anything with this. It had a good move from its bottom today, but here, let's see. So pre-market sold off. Then like after consumer sentiment came back up, kind of consolidated. I think right here is about where they announced their event. But no, I wouldn't really. It's like, I think the pre-market high, if there was one. Oh, there's resistance at like 229, but I'm not messing with it right here. It's like in the middle of this range, so. Microsoft has been going down for some time. Now will there be any reason. I don't necessarily see a reason for Microsoft to go down, but typically whenever I enter trades like this, I don't know what it is, but usually like there will be news that comes out that will cause a pop. It's like it's almost like they plan the news out to line up with the chart. So that's what I'm hoping for with Microsoft. All right, pulling on back a little bit. Yeah, not like a crazy amount of movement today. They're just trying to collect your money. That's all they want. Kennedy deep into negotiations with 14 firms on drug manufacturing. Is getting close to disappearing. Did I miss an entry or did you not get anything? What are you talking about, M-Sense? When you say it's getting close to disappearing? I think the only thing I got in today was Microsoft, and it's a swing trade. It might take some time. Like it'll probably go against me for a little bit. But it sounds like there are a good amount of y'all behind on the time. You said, oh, I meant. Oh. It's like I got into Microsoft, but it's like no, if there's not like a good trade, I'm not gonna take a trade because it's like it's better to keep my money than to lose it. It's like a lot of these trades I take, they're like because we're on stream, but it's like if I'm gonna take it, I would like to still see profit, even if it's just a little bit. I didn't see anything where I could confidently say anything. Microsoft, it may go against you. Let me look into that. Like getting in lower than the teacher. Yeah, I could. It's like I'm cool with Microsoft coming down to like 496 or so, maybe a little lower. I'm cool with that, but Todrick, yes, but also be aware of whatever the theta is. That kind of works against it too. So the longer it takes, the less precise it's going to be. Because the theta, like, is like if you have a theta of 24, if you wait long enough and it only moves $1, that contract will be in the exact same place. All right, so selling on down a little bit more. Ooh. When I said if there is a chance, if there's an entry for the puts on QQQs, this is it. That would have been a little bit of money if you took a day trade. Because that candle after actually set that up. All right, so we're pulling back. All right, let's see. Dominique, I'm late. Good afternoon. All right, yeah, we're pulling back. All right. All right, let's see. All right, so yeah, we just sorry, my dad texted me. All right, so we're kind of just like moving back and forth. I don't really oh. All right, let's see if we get below this pre-market resistance. Let's see. Yeah, we're pulling back a little bit. So let's see. Oh, there is like some liquidity at this like 570.40 level potentially on a 15. If anybody's trying to be reckless, I'm not going to take the trade, but there's a potential area. It's like once again everything is like very uncertain, very like just kind of like yeah. Drink some more of this. So that support might hold up. I don't know. I feel like it's best not to trade. Oh, Palantir's back down to 159. SpaceX sees Starship gears up for flight number 10. Fireball or breakthrough? Hey, here's hoping for a breakthrough. Fed Birkin forecast modest adjustment in rates. Bloomberg reports. Let's see what kind of adjustment it's talking about.
Adjustment in rates. Bloomberg reports. Fed's Barkin says his forecast is for modest adjustment in rates. Bloomberg.
Okay, so I didn't really get much from that. That's just a headline. Oh, wait, hold up. Nah, I think. No, that's it. That's just it. It's just a headline. No body or anything to it. But they said modest adjustments in rates. Let's see if the Fed rate cuts are. We could end up moving up more with that announcement, or what Fed Birkin just said. Did you just get? Yeah, I just got that from Moomoo. I don't see any changes yet, but yeah, I would say Moomoo's usually pretty. If you had a news wire, it might be quicker, but I would say Moomoo's usually like out of everything else I have, Moomoo gets the news pretty fast. Yeah, I think Moomoo's news is like probably the best out of all the free stuff I have. Okay, Q's is still like messing around at this level. Do I prefer Moomoo to? No, it's not easy to just. That's like almost like asking if you prefer one child to another. I would imagine if you're a parent, each of your children has different qualities that you love about them, and you might love doing certain things with certain children. So it's like, nah, I can't like pick a favorite child. It's like they're both. I like them both. They just have different benefits. It's like Robinhood. Wait, hold up. Let's see. Hey, peace out, D Scurv. Microsoft to the moon. Hey, here's hoping. Hey, peace out. Hit that like button. Oh yeah, not a bad idea. And how does a loss work on Moomoo? So I have a video on that. So if you type in how to set a stop loss on Moomoo, you will see a video. It's like you can click on mine. I'm not sure if other people have the video. I would imagine other people do, but I definitely have a video. So it's like I would recommend watching that, but I can't really show you how to do it on Moomoo because I'm not in anything to set a stop loss for at the moment. I have to go. Hey, peace out, Mahishu. You're very, very welcome, Fujiro. Yeah, I'm about to roll out here in a moment too. About to go lay down. All right, QQQ. Testing that pre-market resistance. Spies at the 48 EMA. The Q's is yeah, Q's looks like it's trying to come down, like trying to come on down. I would watch out for the like 570-40 area once again, but yo, it's coming down. Yeah, now that would have been a good trade, kind of, kind of. Hood put. Oh, I mean, we can look at them. I mean, it's close to this area. Let me get rid of this. So it's close to resistance, but I'm not so sure I would call a put like at this area. It's like you can, I would say it's like it's not a, I wouldn't take it right here, but if it were to come up to like 109 or something or 110 today, I would take my chance. Oh, you said you're in one. I mean, assuming that we don't break this trend line, it's like keep trying to ride it. But it's not necessarily one I would just it's not one I would enter right now. Let's see what it's looking like on the lower time frame. So the 1 hour EMA is currently crossed to the downside. That's good. 30-minute is 2. 15-minute is 2. 10's not, but I mean, there's nothing just saying just get out, but yeah, it could. All right, so yeah, we're selling off some more. Here we go. Here's a better entry on Microsoft to the people looking. I got in at like 136. Now it's at 120. But I still said I could see it potentially going down to 146 or whatnot. Philip said, ouch. Yeah, it's like, actually, let me make sure there's not news. I'm like, because otherwise this is just happening for no reason. Let's see. I don't see anything right now. Yeah, we got the Qs going down. We got SPY going down. And I would say other than the Qs breaking this trend line over here, right now this move is like kind of irrational. Hence why I didn't have the highest confidence in trading today. Oh, I see y'all. See y'all got us at 99. Okay, I see y'all. It's not for no reason. I just got in on a call. That's it. Oh nah, Philip. So right now it's looking like. Well, actually, let's see. I feel like right now, Philip. I feel like you just get drawn into like. You still get drawn into the traps a little bit. It's like the stuff that they would want you to kind of get drawn into. I think you kind of get drawn into them. Yeah, the Microsoft call is not. It's not for today. It's a swing. So yeah, I'm going to hold on to that unless like Microsoft comes like considerably below 496, like a close on a day. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with it. It actually would need to be a close on the week, so we'll see how it ends up doing. Hold up, what's going on here? Yo, so it's still the spy's still trying to like hold the Q's. I don't. The Q's is below this trend line, but the spy is trying to hold. But I think I'm gonna start wrapping up right here, family. I need to lay down. All right. So yeah, with that being said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. I hope if you're in any trades, they go your way. And with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Fajiro. Peace out, Todrick. Peace out. Oh, shoot. Y'all got us to 100. Okay. We're free again. Peace out, Dominique. Let's see. What is it? Peace out, Trenton. Peace out, D. Scurv. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Sherry. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, JoJo. Peace out, Levi. Peace out, Brandon. Appreciate you, Brandon. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, Big Time. Peace out, Douglas. And yeah, with that being said, family, I'm going to go out, lay down. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Haldane. All right, see y'all. Peace out, family. Hey, Microsoft, you have our permission to go off. All right, see y'all.